Float array maker. WebGL expects type data. Let's give WebGL what it wants. Function array float32. Give it the length of the array and then supply implicitly via variadic arguments all of the elements to populate that array. We'll make sure we have exactly enough, no more, no less, and then we will fill the array here. Note the float32 array constructor, that is key. We'll also seal the array to make sure it cannot be resized. Also down here, we will wrap this function call to create a const version of it. We use the apply function on the function array float32 to call using an array. This is nil because it is the this argument, and here are all the arguments that are inputted into this function, including the implicit ones, and we will return it. We're not actually doing anything to this. It's just a wrapper because we can't actually freeze a typed array. Therefore, this is const on the honor system. Here we see we are using it right here, and this is all of the data that's going to go into our vertex buffer data. Here are some footnotes, and that's it.